everywhere. And then out of nowhere, there was this guy fighting back against them. And he left behind this stable. And I know
nothing worse than starting a road trip stuck behind a train. So we're going camping. I've got my 3 older kids. There's one at home with the daddy. And I'm excited. I love camping. Literally, this is the fastest I've ever packed for camping. I just literally threw everything in the car. No packing on top, no packing on the back, just let's go. We're gonna go 2 hours south of us and help some friends clean up some tree damage and just enjoy the fresh air as soon as we get past this train. Hey guys, we are at our destination. We have been fed a wonderful lunch, but here's where we are. We're at the Dustin Dean Outlaw Homestead channel. Here's Dustin.
Hi y'all.
And Shakara. She's getting the kids into it. They have a video. I will link to it, but they had wind damage and they've got trees down. So we're here to help clean that up and show some community love and enjoy some fresh air while we're at it. Okay, let's get to it. So one of my favorite uses for down tree limbs is feeding rabbits. Oh, they came out. Look, they know what I have for them. Oh my gosh, they're huge, guys. They're huge.
Probably got an egg in the door.
Is there an egg? Where's an egg? Good job. What do you want to do?
swimming.
It's a blessed life. Let's go check on the orchard boys. Dustin, what are we doing?
Today we're going to move our irrigation water, our sprinkling system. It's a hand line, kind of more of an old school. It's, in my opinion, it's a step above flood irrigating. So we're going to move that, and trying to get trampled by the cows. They're surviving because they think they're puppies and they want to play like a puppy.
Yeah. So then. You go that way. You follow him. Lily, what you been doing? Oh. Well, we got moved. We got the line moved, the water moved, and now we're all just chilling under this beautiful grove of cottonwood trees that are not in cotton right now. So it's very enjoyable under here in the shade. We've got the smoker going. We're gonna have some rabbit from the Mama Grows Homestead, and these guys like rabbit, so I'm glad to feed it to them.
Glad to have it.
Scott, you should get your knife out and do some whittling. I don't know. We've got those two kids over there. That's where they just about live.
They slept out in the orchard.
It's a good time. Oh, check it out, Homestead chicken.
It's rabbit. We have to call the chicken rabbit because he doesn't like rabbit. He likes chicken.
The same with this one.
Fast forward.
Okay, so we just ate something I've never had before. Mexican street corn.
Yep, Mexican street corn.
Oh, here we go. Mexican street corn, and I've never had cube steak, and it was delicious. And potato salad, and I've had potato salad before. Have you guys? So
And the corn was cooked on the smoker.
Corn was cooked on the smoker with the husk all on it and everything. It was cooked perfectly. See here, where's the kids sleeping tonight? They keep changing their location.
Well, I'm gonna be sleeping in that.
This kid thinks he's sleeping outside.
And at one point, the older boys are going to be like a mile down the road.
Wow. Yeah, then they hit a no trespassing sign and came back. Hey, hey! Yeah, that black dog wanted that piece of steak. Day 2's ending. I don't know if I'm gonna film tomorrow because we're getting up and just throwing stuff in the car and going home. So we're gonna close it out and say awesome visit. If you have a chance.
I gotta say that I've had an absolute wonderful time hanging out with you and your family. My I don't know, it just works out so well that our kids are the same age.
Yeah, we hardly ever saw the 12-year-olds.
Hey, Mama Dean.
Hello. Closing it out. Yep.
And so yeah, we've really enjoyed having you here.
Thank you. Thanks for having us. If you ever come to Provo.
Blast.
Thank you for helping us tear down the tree.
Really, we didn't do that much work.
Planting my apple tree, helping with the garden.
Stuff. Is it working? Can you see it, Justice? Look at this cute kid, guys. He's not on camera enough.
Hey.
Well, guys, I'm gonna let this guy say my catchphrase.
Don't forget to grow your self-evenness is something. Don't forget to grow something, even if it's yourself.
That's right, right. Okay, I want you to say, grow something today.
Girlfriend. Today. Even it's so. Grow something today, even if it's yourself.
Good job. Come here, Nova. Grow something today. Even if it's yourself. Hey, I want you to go check out his channel too, Dustin Dean Outlaw Homestead channel. A lot of bee information. I think I've counted 10 hives or something here. It's ridiculous. Not a single bee sting. Yeah. But you get to watch this funny guy.
They live
sting
in
his bee.
Close proximity.
Hey, they live in what? He can't pronounce words. They live in what?
I don't speak very well, but I speak on public forum every day.
Where do we live? Is this rural?
Rural.
I'm just so mean. It's just so fun. So yeah, Dustin Dean Outlaw Homestead channel. Click the link.
Hey, who can't speak? What?